The following are strategies to be used to produce income. We are going to discuss them in detail in later chapters. Bear call spread, credit call spread. A bear call spread is a limited risk, limited reward strategy consisting of one short call option and one long call option. Cash secured put. The cash secured put involves writing a put option and simultaneously setting aside the cash to buy the stock if assigned. Covered call by right. This strategy consists of writing a call that is covered by an equivalent long stock position. Covered put. This strategy is used to arbitrage a put that is overvalued because of its early exercise feature. Covered ratio spread. This strategy profits if the underlying stock moves up to but not above the strike price of the short calls. Covered strangle, covered combination. This strategy is appropriate for a stock considered to be fairly valued. Long stock. This strategy is simple. It consists of acquiring a stock in anticipation of rising prices. Naked call, uncovered call, short call. This strategy consists of writing an uncovered call option. Naked put, uncovered put, short put. A naked put involves writing a put option without the reserved cash on hand to purchase the underlying stock. Short Condor, iron Condor. This strategy profits if the underlying stock is inside the inner wings at expiration. Short iron butterfly. This strategy profits if the underlying stock is inside the wings of the iron butterfly at expiration. Short ratio call spread. This strategy can profit from a steady stock price or from a falling implied volatility. Short ratio put spread. This strategy can profit from a slightly falling stock price or from a rising stock price. Short straddle. This strategy involves selling a call option and a put option with the same expiration and strike price. Short strangle. This strategy profits if the stock price and volatility remain steady during the life of the options. We would like to thank you for taking the time to watch the videos that we have put together for you today. Take a look and subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Instagram, our Facebook page, and reach out if you have additional questions. We would love to hear from you. Check out our website for more information. Go to www.optiontradersnetwork.com. Thanks so much.